heard that you need to brush your teeth every day, but toothbrushing looks different for every single person, and we all need a little coaching to ensure we are being effective with our toothbrushing technique. Today's tip: slow down. We brush way too fast. For this reason, most electric toothbrushes come with a built-in timer. If you do not have an electric toothbrush, try counting how long you stay on each tooth. For instance, if you're going to start your brushing on the upper left side of your mouth on the very back teeth, make sure to stay there for a few seconds. Place the brush in your mouth, angle the bristles towards the gum line, and brush back and forth while you count 1, 2, 3, and then move the brush to the next tooth. Although you will want to brush faster, this is a very simple way to slow yourself down. Be sure not to jump from the top teeth to the bottom teeth or the right and then to the left. To ensure all teeth are correctly brushed, stay in that area and slow down. Give this trick a try and see if it makes a difference in how clean your mouth feels. We are all in a hurry, but spending the time on your toothbrushing technique can make you healthier. Everyone's going to need to brush a little differently, depending on your own oral health needs. And finding what works for you, it may take some time, but I think this Tepe tip is a great start to a better brushing technique.